So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you another interesting earning app tutorial video. So guys, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed my channel then thank you for subscribing my channel. So guys, today I will not review any Chinese application. Today I will review a international application. So guys, you don't have to worry about this application. You can use this application in anywhere in the world. So this application will support in any region. So the name of the application is Display. So guys, I am showing you the application. So guys, here is the application. You guys can see this is the Display application. So guys, now we have to open this application. So guys, I am opening this application. So the app is starting guys. So guys, now we have to sign up for this application. So if you already have an account, you have to log in on this application, and if you don't have an account then please sign up through your email, and you guys can also sign up with Facebook, Google and Twitter. So guys, I have already created an account before starting this video. So now I am trying to logging in on that account. So I have created my account through my Gmail. You guys can create your account from other options. So it's loading, so I have to wait. So I am waiting for the home page. So this application takes time to log in. So now you guys can see the home page has appeared, and in few moments you can see some photos. So guys, here is my profile, and this is some random people who are posting on this application. So guys, you can also post on this application if you want, and you can post photos and also videos. And the best part of the application is you can earn money from this application by posting your videos and your photos. Suppose you guys post a photo and someone likes your photos or your videos, then he will click on the support button and a 30-second video will appear just like this guys. So I have to play this advertisement. So guys, this is a game advertisement, so I have to play this advertisement. So guys, I am fast forwarding this advertisement to save my time. So guys, that was the easy process to earn some extra money from this application. If any creator click on the support button and watches a 30-second short video, and after completing watching the 30-second video, the creator will get a notification and you will get some money from that creator. So this app is very easy to use guys. Just post regularly and post some interesting photos and videos. So guys, you can see this is my balance. I have only $0.00 in my balance. So guys, if you want to earn more money from this application, you have to post regularly and make qualityful videos so that your video will rank on this application and you will get some money from that video. And guys, one thing I have forgotten to say, that this app pays in PayPal, so you can add your PayPal account to get your payments on your PayPal account. So guys, this application is very easy to use. I will give a download link on my description box, so you can download this application if you want to earn money from this application. So if you want to post on this application, then just press the plus icon, and after that you have to select your photos or your videos. Then you have to press the post button, then your photos or your video will automatically post on this application. So guys, this is all for today. If you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions. And if you are new to my channel, then please support me, because I am a new creator, so I need your support. So please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video then please give a like on this video. And if you want to know more about this type of earning application, then I have given a playlist on the iCard, so you have to click on the iCard and you will get the playlist. So guys, this is all for today. Tata everyone.